What's going on? Broken and smoking here. So I've been debating on letting this cat out of the bag. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So you've seen bits and pieces of clips of me throwing this transmission together. This is a converter we're throwing in. It's from Jegs. But here's where I'm gonna let the cat out of the bag. I don't use transmission fluid. Costs too much. I mean, if you're gonna maintain them like you should maintain them anyways, get the cheap stuff. So John Deere High Guard is where it all started. But now that stuff's getting expensive. So I went and I found some at Tractor Supply. I think it was the Travers brand. It worked well, but now it's gotten expensive. And I was flip-flopping through Lowe's one day, and lo and behold, they carry hydraulic fluid now. And I got to looking, and it's like, this can't be right. 5 gallons for $35. So this is the kind that I use. See that? Right there. Mag 1. Universal Tractor Transmission Hydraulic Fluid. But here's what you need to look for. Now, I'm not telling you to go do this, so don't come at me when something happens, all right? I know when I go through something and it's a clean system, I'm not contaminating nothing, I'm using this stuff. So what you're looking for is this right here. The John Deere J20C. If it's got that J20C, I'm using it. And for 35 bucks for 5 gallons, you damn right I'm using it. It's easier on the wallet, all right?